She bout to go in. She likes that low end. Damn, her ass is so big. Just keep it bumping. Peaches and cream.
Legal, legal, esse é o canal do Black Som aqui no YouTube. Nesse vídeo nós vamos trazer o som da nova geração. Vamos dançar um pouquinho aí com o som da nova geração. Lembrando que se você de repente quer entrar em contato com o pessoal do Black Som, blacksom@hotmail.com, certo? blacksom@hotmail.com e no Facebook o Som da Pesada. Pode entrar lá, a gente vai entrar em contato e bater um papo aí. De repente tá procurando músicas, aquela coisa tal, pode mandar um e-mail pra gente que a gente responde rapidinho pra você, tá certo? Vamos dançar um pouquinho aí com o som da nova geração? Vou tocar algumas nacionais e umas gringas também pra gente dançar e tem muita coisa legal. Vamos começar com um super remix aí do J Quest. Vamos assim, ó.
Atenção, senhoras e senhores. Dentro de 5 segundos, o fenômeno das pistas entra em ação. 5,
Você chegou, quase me matou. Foi daquele jeito, mas parou. Me levou todo ar. Você chegou, quase me matou. Foi daquele jeito, mas parou. Quase me levou todo ar. Você chegou. Você chegou, quase me matou. Foi daquele jeito, mas parou. Quase me levou todo ar. Você chegou, quase me matou. Foi daquele jeito, mas parou. Quase me levou todo ar.
Foi fulminante, rolou um blackout. Tô pra te falar. Desconcertante, rolou um nocaute. Foi forte demais. Se eu disser vem, você vai. Você vai. Eu vou te mostrar. Se disser vem, vou atrás. Eu vou atrás. Eu vou me entregar.
Você chegou, quase me matou. Foi daquele jeito, mas parou. Quase me levou todo ar. Você chegou, quase me matou. Foi daquele jeito, mas parou. Quase me levou todo ar.
Foi fulminante, rolou um blackout. Tô pra te falar.
Você chegou.
Desconcertante, rolou um nocaute. Foi forte demais. Se eu disser vem, você vai. Você vai. Eu vou te mostrar. Se disser vem, vou atrás. Eu vou atrás. Eu vou me entregar.
Você chegou, quase me matou. Foi daquele jeito, mas parou. Quase me levou todo ar. Você chegou, quase me matou. Foi daquele jeito, mas parou. Quase me levou todo ar. Você chegou. Você chegou.
Yeah. Bling bling, keep me on shine while I make the ching ching. You so precious like a burst of joy. I heard your boy Jacob got the best shit. You so hot, you make me hot, boy. And he got you round the whole watch, boy. It's so expensive, but well worth it. I heard it's a deal of that ransom. It's so ugly when the ice lit. You with me, the feeling is priceless. You so beautiful when you in the robe. It's something awful what it do to the pros. You ain't guessing, you ain't listening. I'm flossing with my girl's best friend, shining with my girl's best friend. I blinded with my girl's best friend.
When I raise them in the sky, shine so bright it'll blind your eyes.
So bright.
Diamond aura, girl's best friend, rolling with you until the end.
When
I raise them in the sky, shine so bright it'll blind your eyes. Diamond aura, girl's best friend, rolling with you until the end.
Bling bling. You with the whole team, get the pearls on the ding ding. They see the shine, they eat it up. They see the flood, but they can't see the time. You so sparkly. If you ain't a part of me, it's like the Rockets with no Barkley. You so hard, I'm getting them with no pride. I mean the women give me gold stars. You so special, you're multifaceted. You can cut glass with it. It's so brilliant. Go spin a little dough, look like you sold millions. Plus you everlasting and drastically important with sporting your ghetto fashion. You ain't guessing, you ain't listening. If you stay glistening, shake your wrist and just shine with your girl's best friend. Ride and blinding with your girl's best friend. Wildin' with your girl's best friend. It's D.I. and your girl's best friend.
When I raise them in the sky, shine so bright it'll blind your eyes. Diamond aura, girl's best friend, rolling with you until the end. When I raise them in the sky, shine so bright it'll blind your eyes. Diamond aura, girl's best friend, rolling with you until the end. When I raise them in the sky, shine so bright it'll blind your eyes. Diamond aura, girl's best friend, rolling with you until the end.
Aqui toca só as melhores.
Black Soul.
Anonymous been in corner with burners on us coming right a minute. Burke a duffel 100,000 in it. Hey nigga, roll up. Anyway, do say mint with lemonade. Feeling good like I'm dealing yay, moving to the day. Time limit never. Could do this shit forever. Can't even put it in words how I'm in love with her. From slanging work on the curb, hustling drugs with her. The jet ride 50 million and one. Feel it. Shit. I'm high as a motherfucker. Don't have me shit, make me lie to you, motherfucker. Man, truth is for real, feel like Dre for real. Mixed with Eric B and Rakim, shout the hell on the scale. And still the game enticing me. Like every time I see her, they're like a Papa Seal, high enough to see her live, for real. And man, I know all the chill, you don't know how good it make a nigga feel. Come on. Shit got me high as a bitch, drippin' salt, kick it flay, super fly with the shit. Don't need a grand to get laid, an ounce to get paid. You kush to roll up and drink to pour up. Anyone know us, they know trap shit in our DNA. And numbers on the need to know basis, this ain't no Q&A. I promise Dre that I put the game on lock and ain't no taking that shit back. Put it on everything I got, god damn. Up at the door, hopping out of lane. Residential areas flying, I'm getting out of damn. Ma'am, tell your son he better watch it cause we rollin'. And disrespecting not an option in my neighborhood. So why are you talking to me? Even if we know you hating, then that's all it could be. Cause if I callin' on all the niggas indebted to me, and find your ass OD, then it could be. came to put my hat on. Lane where I stay, all they said fuck drop all day. 2 or 3 pistol metal with me, hey, I'm brave. She brought an old kush to me in a 6-pack. Okay, well, I'm about to roll it up and hit that. Then I'ma make her wipe me down like a wet sink. Ride it like a jet ski. Pass it to me, yes, bitch.
Times like hipsters in the night. Times like hipsters in the night. You drink, we don't. We bug, you won't. Times like hipsters in the night. Like hipsters in the night.
And it's like, don't you ever stress the could haves. Baby, if it should have, it would have. I get a good laugh from people showing up at mealtime. And then they disappear at bill time. We tryna eat like it's Thanksgiving or something. But I don't like looking like Thanksgiving to someone. And Cali switching up, tryna Aunt Vivian something. Looking for the money like Ben Frank living or something. Where that?
Why does this system green light say fast? Red blood running down our trace. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I've been misled for way too long. Took this trail like 100 times. If this life should take over me, the end, it will be the death of a good man. The time it takes to find a way, baby, it will be the death of a good man. More can't you wait to secretly torment? It will be the death of a good man. The time it takes to find a way, baby, it will be the death of a good man. More can't you wait to secretly torment? Why does the system say it's falling through your system? Pave this path full of gold, thought it led to your soul, to your soul, to your soul. I've been misled for way too long. Took this trail like 100 times. If this life should take over me, the end, it will be the death of a good man. The time it takes to find a way, baby, it will be the death of a good man. Turn the track. More can't you wait to secretly torment? It will be the death of a good man.
I wanna make you happy,
I'm not at all happy or related. This category ain't my favorite. It's my story, I'ma state it. You can love it or hate it. I'm just a misfit, blessed with good dick and intelligence. Hood nigga, holding no grudges or petty shit I started. Why are we cold-hearted, so guarded? Scared to get hurt, trying not to love the hardest, that's garbage. Remember when we loved each other? Bathtub scrubbed each other, chilling, champagne spilling. Feeling like the shit gon' last forever. Time went so fast, we had a blast together. Last we had friends we spent time with. Now I be seeing your friends out, then I'm reminded how we all used to gather up for the holidays. Now your friends all nervous to speak, they act afraid. I was your bestie, how we get to this as I reminisce, taking off my MJs in my empty crib. Mary, Mary.
I wanna make you happy, but you just don't see it. I wanna be your only, but I'm so tired of competing. We say all the wrong things till we make each other cry. What are we doing? Will it ever get better? My heart, my soul, I gave, it's yours. I can't give back all the things that I lost.
drinks to drown a dragon. If you got a passport, come get a sweet sensation. First class invitation to minority nation. I see skirts and wet t-shirts on a newer note. It takes two to toe. Let's share some hookah smoke. See you winking, wanna clutch it, watch me get it. I love that figure. Let me touch it while you tweet on Twitter. It's a perfect party with a pinch of passion. Pass a pint of potion, perfect ass and fashion. My selections, confession, my obsession is affection, perfection, sex text. Lordy, it's a perfect party. Party favors, party neighbors. Party hardy with the party neighbors. Diamonds and girls, it's a world of girls. We love the girls all over the world. Lordy, it's a perfect party. Party favors, party neighbors. Party hardy with the party neighbors. Diamonds and girls, it's a world of girls. We love the girls all over the world. You're invited to the perfect party. Shirtless bodies, working hottie, naughty shorties. Hotter than 40 orgies. Pool party, a cool hobby. Women stripping denim, nothing like thicky, icky, skinny dipping. Smelly option, a kush kush. Plus the telly rocking, cause all her plus size is belly flopping. Tan lotion baking, those should take it. Who can hate it? Hit them spring breaking, naked shaking. Sexy mama homage, sexy mama finer. The Donna's honor, getting brain like college knowledge. Work the jerk out, I work your skirt out. Stretch your thighs, let's exercise. I show the perfect workout. The thongs are strong, can't see where they meet up. Heat up teeny bikinis, tight like ballet teachers. Love you, the denim, especially when you're in them. The linen, naughty boys love when it's done. With naughty, it's the perfect party. Party favors, party neighbors. Party hardy with the party baby. Diamonds and pearls, it's a world of girls. We love the girls all over the world. Naughty, it's a perfect party. Party favors, party neighbors. Party hardy with the party baby. Diamonds and pearls, it's a world of girls. We love the girls all over the world. There's no 100, I want nearer to you. You're my boo, you're so sweet, I call you tiramisu. Got a glow like Shakira and you make my day. You my Mona Lisa Ray with lips like Sade. Hey, you left your ex-boy, now you trench joy. Love is the language, see you fluent in sex toy. You like that buzz love, battery bang bang. You wear that see-through, I wear that thing ring. Light it up, wanna pour anymore. Love smacking ass and drinking, but we ain't break anymore. Don't be doubting me.
F to the AB. It's gotta be next selection. Yeah. Just rock with it, come on. Baby, it could be how I used to be, or maybe it could be you ain't used to me, cause it used to be the charm. But I'm early as a rooster on a farm with a Jacob exclusive on the arm. But nothing come close to the feeling of your first. If you love to hustle, it's like dealing on the first. It's deeper than the dishes on the V. Just remember that the fish is in the sea. Wishes they could be with me.
I've been through it, you've been through it. Never wanna break up, but you do it. Nothing's working, both are hurting. You're going out and you catch yourself flirting, arguing like every weekend, to the point where you really ain't speaking. So you leave her, but it's only a matter of time for you to say, girl, I'm so broke, down without you. Girl, I messed up, baby, can you forgive me? Stop thinking about you, cause I was at my best when you was with me. It's funny how things can rearrange. I'm left out in the rain, baby. I know you feel what I'm talking about, cause we all got somebody who used to. She used to be your number one. She used to be your only lover. Now she's gone and you miss her. She used to be your number one. She used to be your only lover.
It just feels good, baby.
It feels so good. Now every now and then you get the feeling, seeing her again might be appealing. So you call her, dial the number, say you wanna hook up cause you wonder how she's doing, is she okay? And if she wanna see you this Friday, and if it works out your way, this is what you hear yourself say. Girl, I'm so broke, down and out. Girl, I messed up, can you ever forgive me? Can't stop thinking about, cause I was at my best when you was with me. It's funny how things get rearranged, and I'm left in the rain, left out in the rain, baby. You know just what I'm talking about. We've all had somebody who used to. She used to be your number one. Used to be. She used to be your only lover. Now she's gone and you miss her. And she used to be. She used to be your number one. Used to be. She used to be your only lover. She used to be your baby. That's what she used to be. Return of the man. Return of the man. Once
step in here, cause I'm representing for my whole hood up in here. But I'm not about to get ghetto though. Mingling with some women feeling incredible. And I'm tryna bag a chick from a centerfold. And I'm tryna burn bread like it's finna be told. Finally up in the game and they feeling me, coach. Cause I'm first class flying, I ain't finna be coached. Yeah, it's a celebration that never end. Tell a friend, girl, a Mac is back, baby.
Dance the hips free. Let the top down so they can see. We can hit the clubs and party hard. Cause I just bought out the bar. We can G5 from coast to coast. Pop champagne, let's make a toast. Now we sipping cafe Patrol. Smoke that kush till we get blown. Return of the Mac. Return of the Mac. Once again, return of the Mac. Cause you know that I'll be back.
Let me hear you say yum. Let me hear you say where. Let me hear you say yum. Every day we stay fresh.
I got keys to whatever, trees of endeavor. Man, he was buzzing, he's on my level. He's on the pedal, drive off slow. 7 Deuce Cadillac is convertible. She wanna be where the Mac in his hat. Dog in the house while I'm cracking it back. They say, we say, you say go. Take it to the top, now drop it down low. Mink on my back, suited and booted. Crimped out, pimped out. What would you do if you was me? Would you hop on the freak while you bop to the beat? Now we can take it.
Bands the hips free. Let the top down so they can see. We can hit the clubs and party hard. Cause I just bought out the bar.
É o som da nova geração. Vamos virar umas nacionais agora. Também da nova geração, músicas maravilhosas, músicas nacionais. Vamos sair dançando assim, ó.
Honey dip, I got a thick money clip, and he broke it in a joke that isn't the funniest. And may double come equipped with the lavish life. It's a one-time offer, won't ask you twice. When we go shopping, mama, don't ask the price. Gotta get a count.
nacionais batendo forte aqui na nossa seleção da nova geração. E tem mais. De repente a Ludmilla resolveu fazer isso aqui, ó.
taça de Xandão, um calor no edredom. Você tirando meu batom é bom, 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 bom. Uma taça de Xandão, um calor no edredom. Você tirando meu batom é bom, bom, bom. Relaxa que eu quero você, relaxa que eu quero prazer. Relaxa que a noite promete que naturalmente vai acontecer. Eu tô ficando louca, arrepiando todo. Eu tô querendo te pegar gostoso, fazer você pirar daquele jeito bom, 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 bom. Uma taça de Xandão, um calor no edredom. Você tirando meu batom é bom, 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 bom. Uma taça de Xandão, um calor no edredom. Você tirando meu batom é bom, 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 bom. Eu tô cheia de maldade. Primeiro eu vou provocar, depois vou te devorar pra te deixar com vontade. Eu quero te provocar, mas ó, relaxa que eu quero você, relaxa que eu quero prazer. Relaxa, a noite promete que naturalmente vai acontecer. Eu tô ficando louca, arrepiando todo. Eu tô querendo te pegar gostoso, fazer você pirar daquele jeito bom, 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 bom. Uma taça de Xandão, um calor no edredom. Você tirando meu batom é bom, 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 bom. Uma taça de Xandão, um calor no edredom. Você tirando meu batom é bom, 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 bom. Uma taça de Xandão, um calor no edredom. Você tirando meu batom, meu batom. Uma taça de Xandão, um calor no edredom. Você tirando meu batom é bom, 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 bom. É bom, é bom. Taça de Xandão, tira o meu batom, cê vai ver que é bom, é bom. Taça de Xandão, tira o meu batom, cê vai ver que é bom, é bom.
Então vem com o Lino. Cantem! Ei, um novo dia, paciência, ousadia, inteligência, sangue frio, sim ou não, preto e truta, decisão, rato é mato, já define meu status e a cor do crime. Vários manos, pras cucuias, só por Deus, aleluia. Alvo de conspirações, várias são as aflições, som do realizações e não faço concessões. Nunca há disposições na cova dos leões. Já matei aos milhões pra honrar os meus culhões. Hey, quantos demônios exorcizo, quantos passem alma sacam isso. Brilho e equilíbrio é preciso proceder pra se manter vivo. Sempre respeitei, fé e humildade na quebrada é de lei. Saravadas para o alto. Meu aliado é o rei dos reis. Hey. É o rei dos reis. Hey. Só o amor pra salvar os dias sem luz. Sem amor não se vê o valor da cruz. Amor, juízo que não se traduz é real. Se querem me atropelar, me tentam lançar ao mar. Meu foco de
Black Soul.